Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in here in Australia and it is a really warm today. So I've got an envelope to open. This comes from America, the USA, and it is from Terry Lacy. Terry Lacy. And I don't know if she's got a YouTube channel, and I'm sorry Terry if I don't remember. But I should go and find you before, but I'll find you after everybody and see what is, what you do, because a lot of them I don't know your name until I've opened the thing. And there's a nice piece of paper with a bird on it. Oh, look at that. Wow. She sent me a little note, so I'm just going to, she's a brand new subby, found your channel through Wendy Mason's VR. To your giveaway. Going back through your videos, I was tickled to find your channel. You do beautiful work and I am looking forward to seeing more. As for the people who post ugly comments, I am so disappointed. I know there are people in the world who get some satisfaction from saying things like that. Stay strong, carry on. The fabric is from the handheld fan and I hope it finds a new home in one of your creations. Thank you so much, Terry. That is so very kind of you. I really appreciate that. Everybody's been so kind in sharing things with me, and this is a piece of a fan. Isn't this cool? Oh wow, isn't that cool? Love it. Oh dear, that's so nice, isn't it? Look. Oh dear, have a guess where I'm going to put this. It's okay if I put in my gypsy book, isn't it? I'll put some in each one. Okay, thank you so much. It's got all these little sequence and this sewing, or like machine sewing all around there and around the edge, and the colours are really awesome, aren't they? Isn't that nice? You could nearly wear that for a collar, couldn't you? Be better for the fan though. I think it'd be better for a fan. It'd be a bit flash for a collar. I imagine that it must have went something that I don't know. But isn't that a cool idea? That's where you got that from. Well, that's really neat, that is, because that's a really cool piece of fabric from off the fan. So, and a nice piece of paper too to put with it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, darling. I think that's very kind of you to send me that, and your very lovely letter. I feel like I am getting better. I know I am, because you know what, that set me back. But anyway, it was a matter of about 3 instances where I got that. But anyway, it's all right. I'm going to be fine. So please don't anybody worry. I'm going to be fine. I'll do my videos of these here, and I'm going to come back on with some tutorials. I've got all these great things that I want to do as usual, and you've got to work out which is going to be done first. So I really appreciate this, Terry. Thank you so much for all your kind words and your support. So thank you everybody for watching. Bye.